So hi, we are back from Congo Market. We're back from Congo Market, and I wanted to just show you what we got. Some of the things we got. We didn't get much. Actually, we had gone to tour, and we managed to get some clothes. So I want to just change into them, and you see how they are, and then rate them down. Yeah, I got two jeans. I got two jeans, and then two jackets. So leave them down, leave it down in the comment section. How did you like them? And which one is your favorite jean? I got two boyfriend jeans, two boyfriend pants, and then two jackets. So let me just set the camera here, and then we also got some vegetables. We got some tomato, some green pepper, and then we got egg. Some these greens. So later, we're going to discuss with the greens we got. And then a cucumber. I also got a cucumber because I want to make a salad I discovered. Oh, it's nice. Yeah. Expensive though. This is 2K. This is also 2,000. There was supposed to be 4, but then it was our auntie, so she gave me more. Then we also got this green pepper. And then got maroon garden egg. This is garden egg. Yeah. This vegetable is garden egg. So that's what we got. So I'm going to change into the pants, and then you write it down in the comment section. How did you find it? Which one was your favorite? So the greens that we got. Let me just change into the attires we got. Let me set my camera. So this is the first one. Okay, this is the first one. This is the first boyfriend jean that I got. I didn't get a shirt. This is my sister's sweater shirt. So this is the first one. Let me change it to the second one. Those are the pants. Two pants I got. So we go to that. I also got this big jacket. This is it. Corporate wear. So after here, I'm going to wash them. So got the white one. Which one of these was your favorite? So yeah, leave it down in the comment section. Which of the following outfits was your favorite? And then for the pricing, so we got two jeans. Yeah, we got two jeans. One, or both of them went for Both of them went for 5,000. I'm going to just leave the conversions up here to dollars. They went for 5,000, both of them. I went for the jumps, not jumps, throw-ons. Throw-ons. For the throw-ons. For the throw-ons. Go on. Go on. Okay. Yeah, then for the those ones, the red one and the orange one, all of them were for 13, and he gave us for 13, and he gave us for okay. I'm doing move for move to say right. Move say right. Just move to there. Move. Yeah, we bought them for the first sale 15, they gave us for 13. Yeah, 13,000 shillings. So that is it for the haul and the fruit shopping. So I'm going to make salads out of this and these tomatoes. That's what I want to eat. Cucumber and this. I make a combination plus onions, bit of green pepper, and I eat. So yeah, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share this video out to your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, one last tour of what we're doing. So very good. I like this boyfriend part. So boyfriend, here I come. Coming to see you. My boyfriend jeans. I don't know what was the history behind naming his boyfriend jeans. I'm not sure. Leave it down in the comment section if you know. See you later. Thank you so much, and don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe. Thank you so much for the support. See you in my next video. Bye bye.